In today's video, I'll be changing the oil on this 2008 Honda CRV. I went with the Mobile One high mileage oil, protects engine for over 75,000 miles and also guaranteed protection for 10,000 miles. It's advanced fully synthetic and 520. I also went with the genuine Honda oil filter from Honda. And yeah, so let's get to it. First off, what I do, I get the engine up to temperature, then I release the dipstick, so, and also unscrew the cap just a little like that, just so air can flow through, so that the oil can get a smooth flow out. So under here, we have the drain plug right here, and we have the filter. So these are the two we have to release, and let's get to it. Now we are back under the car, and I loosened the drain plug already. By the way, the size of the drain plug is 17 millimeter, and I also have my catch can ready. So let's start loosening. Okay. There we go. That oil is so black. Look at it. I got to clean this off. The crush washer all over the place. Okay. So we're gonna let it drain for a bit, and then I'll fill it back. So now let's take this filter out. Most of the time you don't have to put a wrench on it. You should be able to turn it out with your hands. So let's try. Okay, there we go. Should be able to turn it out like that. Make sure my catch can is under because it's gonna throw a little oil as well. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my oil plug back on. There's still a little drippy drip, but we're gonna put it on. Okay. And I'll torque it down to spec. Now I'm tightening back the oil filter by hand. No need to put the tool on it. Just tighten it by hand. Okay, that's it. Let me pull this catch can out of here. You have to make sure you clean up all your drips. Nice and clean. No spilling. Nice. So now to put the oil back. So the oil capacity in this CRV is 4.4 to 5 quarts. So what I have here is a 5. This is 5 quart. So we're gonna use this funnel to pour it in. Stick this funnel like so. Start pouring. You want to take your time because you don't want to spill oil in the engine bay. So you take your time and pour gently. You're not in a rush. Again, we don't want no drippy. Yeah, pouring away. You look under. So I didn't pour all at once. I left a little back. So I will start the car and get the oil flowing, and then I'll check the dipstick to see where we at. I'm gonna wipe this off and put our cap back on. And then I'll start the car, and in a little while I'll check it again and make sure where we at, yeah, at level, because I still left a little back in the container. Okay, guys. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Peace.